But it's funny. Oh my goodness, you guys. Welcome to Vlogtober. I am so excited. I know a lot of people have been asking me, when is Halloween going to launch? When are we going to get back to Halloween? Because we've been doing a lot of Christmas. Well, you know what? We're still going to be doing some Christmas, but it is going to be full-on Halloween for the next couple of weeks. I'm so excited. We're going to have a little party here. Check it out. Look, I got my little glass here. And I got some Giant Eagle Market District black cherry flavored soda. We're going to try this one out. Looking all bubbly here. I need a beverage for this. I totally do. This actually looks really, really good. I've had this before. This is like pure on black cherry and sugar. It's wonderful. Just what I need for today. So, what does Vlogtober mean on my channel? It means we're going to be doing a whole bunch of fun Halloween videos. I've actually had so much fun putting the background together. I've got pieces from everywhere. Up above there is actually Diagon Alley from Harry Potter. Got a few Harry Potter pieces in here. Over here from Cracker Barrel, I've got my potion. There's of course a lot of Bath and Body Works products back here. And you may have noticed, Greg has found a place in the Halloween setup. Although, you know what? I lost his tiki. Like, oh my gosh. For those of you who aren't familiar with the Brady Bunch, the Bradys went to Hawaii and Greg found this tiki idol that he put around his neck, and then he was having terrible luck. He almost died in a surfing accident. And I don't know what happened. He flew off the shelf, and now the tiki is gone. I know. Maybe Greg's gonna start having really good luck now. I've got a couple fun jewelry pieces. So the necklace is actually from Avon. I think this one is still available. Link is below. The glasses, the beautiful Harry Potter glasses, are from Lensmart online. If you use the code GEEKS, you get 25% off. They have some really cool glasses for the holidays going on. And then, of course, I'm going to be talking a lot about candles. I have a whole bunch of Goose Creek candles to review for Halloween. So it's going to be a fun month because I'm going to do at least one Halloween video a day. That is my plan. And then I'm also going to, you know, weave in fall and, of course, Christmas, because Christmas is just coming out really fast. So, a couple of things I pulled for today in honor of the launch of Halloween. Oh my goodness, you guys, check out what I found. I found an unburned Black Magic Homeworks candle. Oh my gosh, this is the licorice one. I actually had two of these and I forgot I put away an unburned one last year. This smells amazing. Homeworks is having a good sale today. I am a Homeworks ambassador, which means if you use the code Bonnie10 at Homeworks, you're going to get 10% off 40 plus. So go check out Homeworks. They have a lot of good Halloween. I think I still have a couple Halloween candles to review from Homeworks, but I'm going to do a whole compilation on Homeworks because they did really good for Halloween. But I'm so happy I found my Black Magic. That was so exciting. Check it out. Witch City Wicks. I do order from them. I didn't get anything this year, but I have a poison apple left over from last year that I didn't burn, so I think I'm going to review this. Witch City Wicks is in Salem. They are quite amazing. So we have Witch City Wicks goods. I always find really cool soap at Homework, so I think I'm going to do a soap video. We've got Beetlejuice. This is patchouli and sandalwood, and I've got poisoned apple cider. These smell really good. So I think I'm going to do a soap review as one of my Vlogtober videos. Also, oh my gosh, you guys, Tuscany sent me a whole bunch of their Halloween collection, including Haunted Hayride. I really want to review this one. This is beautiful. Look at this black shiny wax. So I'm going to do this one. I like Tuscany for Halloween and Christmas. They do good stuff year round. We have got Kringle. I am also an influencer. Kringle, if you use the code QueenGeeks, you get 15% off at Kringle. They still get a lot of Halloween stuff going on. Graveyard Night. Oh my gosh. Smells like a bag of Halloween candy. This one is fabulous. The labels are amazing. I still have to review Nevermore this year. So there's a lot of Halloween that I've not yet done. Oh, this smells so good. For Kringle. So we're going to be going full on Halloween Kringle this month. Of course, Bath & Body Works, you know, has a ton of Halloween stuff. We're going to revisit a lot of the Body Care Everlasting Magic. This is that Diamond Shimmer Fizz that's so unique. It's like a lotion, but it makes these crackling noises, and you put it on, and, you know, it doesn't get as slimy once you rub it in, but it smells amazing. I love this one. Everlasting Magic is wonderful. We may revisit my favorite Enchanted Candy Potion in a throwback video. I still have some of this, and it is fabulous. Oh, yeah. It's pure on sugar. So we have a lot of Bath & Body Works stuff. Yankee sent me a ton of Halloween stuff, including this adorable... I can't turn my head because my blonde hair is sticking out the back. Check it out. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. So we have that going on. Look at this from Yankee from last year. This is from the what's it called? Phantasmagoria, I think, collection. Got a really long name. Or is this from this might be Phantasmagoria, or, you know, they had all the cool pirate stuff. I think that's what it's called though. But anyway, I love the rose. I got this burning actually. Check that out. I have got dripping blood candles. We're going to do the dripping blood candles. Kind of see that. Treehouse got pumpkin spice latte. I might include some pumpkin spice in. I know it's kind of fall Halloween, but we might do a little pumpkin spice latte for Halloween. So we got that going on. And then all kinds of other stuff. Village Candle. I might try and get my hands on a couple of Village candles. If you know of any candle company or body care company that's doing something for Halloween that you think is super cool, put it down below because I may just pick it up. We're going to revisit a lot of the really cool Bath & Body Works Halloween candle holders, like the giant carriage that no one can get their hands on. Seriously. And the snake. I never did get the snake wrap, by the way. I don't know what's going on with that. What else do I have back here? I got some pieces from last year. Oh, Charmed Aroma Witchy Angel Ambiance sent me this last year. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It was one of the Harry Potter pieces. Charmed Aroma has got a lot of really cool Halloween stuff going on, so I had to put that up. Again, I have Yankee. We have the Goose Creek Scooby-Doo collection. What else do I have mixed in here? So, like I said, the body care, a lot of Bath & Body Works. I just thought it was so much fun to put up this display. It was a joy to do. Let me tell you, it was fun. So, we've got all kinds of stuff. I may try and do a couple of Halloween desserts. I don't know if I can do it, you guys. My friend Lenny is supposed to be coming sometime in October. I need his help. He's a better cook than me. I don't know if he does desserts, though. I do good on candy. Check this out. I got this Witch's Brew candy jar a little while ago. Is anyone else addicted to the fall Tootsie Rolls? I have to like hide these from myself because they're so good. I absolutely love these. So, like I said, I will be on the lookout for Halloween decor, body care. Does anyone have any Halloween shampoo? Oh, Lush. They don't have Halloween shampoo, but they got some cool stuff. I might do a couple more demos. I have that Black Rose bath bomb. I want to do that. So I'm feeling a really fun Halloween coming on. Oh my gosh, my hair is all goofy. This black wig, it looked good the first time, but now my bangs are all kind of funky. No, I got the hat at Spirit Halloween, by the way. They got some good stuff this year. I'm loving my witch hat. The dress I got last year at Amazon. I'm loving my witch outfit. So anyway, yes, happy Vlogtober, a day early. I wanted to roll this out today, so it goes into tomorrow. So I will be back. I got a lot of Halloween to talk about. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. We're gonna have some fun this month. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.